What's up, everybody? This is Joseph R. Wheeler III reporting live again from one of my favorite spots, my #1 creek that I love to fish on. You thought I was gonna give you the spot? Come on. Anyway, it is in Georgia. It is in the metro ATL area. If you know Atlanta, if you know where I'm at, you know where I'm at. If you don't, pay attention to the technique and do sweat the technique, because I want you to learn something. We're here to provide that through the Outdoor Experience Worldwide. As you can see, it is an absolutely gorgeous day, and I'm about to be, oh yeah, I don't even have to say it, do I? You see all of that over there, you see all of that. All my bass fishermen know what time it is, all my pickerel warriors know what time it is, because I'm here for that. I'm especially looking for the pickerel. I know they're here. It is a absolute must of mine. I have to catch one. I have to catch a chain pickerel. I love them. I really want to catch every type of pike there is. Of course, I had to go to another state for that, but the southern pike is a thrill for all those who respect the mighty, mighty pickerel. So I'm after them today. Let's see if they want to play. I'm about to use this frog. I've been using it at my pond location I like to go to a lot. This thing has just the right weight to really get it out there, even though I'm not doing any long distance casting. And I'm using my shortest, lightest rod and reel on purpose, because in the tight situation I'm in, as I speak, while I'm just standing here rigging up, I've gotten caught around some little vine, because this line will grab everything, it seems, sometimes. But I'm using Power Pro. It's 30-pound Power Pro braided line, and my leader is about, I would say, about 12-pound mono. So yeah, that's how I'm doing it. I love my trusty little clips. Makes it easy for switching out baits real fast and not having to retie every time. Anglers, if you're not doing that, I swear you're wasting time. I'm not saying it's not good to tie direct to the line depending on what the lure is, but if you don't have to do it, save yourself some time, right? Oh yeah. This creek has plenty of little tiny frogs, big frogs, and a lot of frog activity out here. So the other good thing about this artificial lure is imitates some of the
Take
natives.
two.
This rod is so cool. It's a Black Fate. It's a medium fast, 10 to 17 pound line, 1/4 to 5/8 ounce lure. For all you technocrats that need to know all the technical details, there it is. And that Abu Garcia, it never fails. This is about the smoothest of the bait casters my dad has blessed me with. I love this setup. And it's all about the weight of the lure, I'm learning. If you don't have the right weight of the lure, that's when you start having all those issues of backlash. Ooh, I smell them again. Something is spawned in. I mean, I've been told that they're crappie out here, and I believe it. I just never caught one on the creek. All I've ever gotten out here was bass, and I've seen the pickerel. But something is definitely making that super sweet. It's like a sweet fishy smell. All my anglers know what I'm talking about. It's sweet fish smell. You feel me? It's not a stinky smell at all. It smells like fish, but it's sweet. It's like, yeah, that's when you know they out here somewhere. Around that, because there's like a pile of I'll show y'all what I'm talking about. Pile of tree brush over here that I know holds some baby pickerel. I've seen them on clear water days hanging around over there. And so every time I'm out here, I'm always hoping and wishing it's not just some babies home, that maybe there's a big one over there waiting to snatch my lure. Just got hit, y'all. It just got hit. It tried to tear the thing apart, and it didn't stay on. One of the best topwater hits ever, and it came off, y'all. I have no idea how with these treble hooks, but it just wasn't a good hook set. You know, it caught me off guard a little bit, I guess, but I definitely had it on for 2 seconds and shook it. Trying to bring them back right in where I'm at right now when it hit. Come on, do it again, do it again. And why did my camera have to, I'm so worried about my camera dying on me because my power's low. I cut the camera off. And I get this hit. That would have been cool just to put that in slow-mo and see the effects of the water splash. Dang. Boy, I tell you, they do it to you, yo. They keep you coming. They keep you coming. They gonna keep you coming. All right, now this right here is what you call the Joseph R. Wheeler III jig weedless rig. Take it in, just like you would a worm. Bring it back into itself. But you gotta have the right length of a lure and all that good stuff. So something not too much longer than the hook. And it should get me, I know it's gonna get me out there, but it should keep me weedless, y'all. I'm trying to stay out of them weeds. I'm trying to stay off of getting hooked on a stump or whatever. But it's a massive hook. It's one of the best hooks. It's got to be like a 3/0 hook or whatever, so yeah, you know, it's serious business. It ain't gonna play around if a fish. That's the other thing, you know, I think what I had with that topwater, if it was a nice size bass, he shook loose because the hooks on that frog are not that heavy. So nothing that he was really biting down on. Not to say I haven't caught monsters on small hooks, it's all possible, but you know, you're just trying to get rid of every possibility of mess up and get the win. Can we get the win? Working for the win. Go tell a friend, it's fun. Even when there's no sun. Tell the fish come and get some. Ooh, I caught something right there to shore. Okay, so the water is little cooler than I think it is, because this lure changes color in the water, and it got darker on one part, so that tells me something. We're still waiting on it. Yeah. Cool peoples, I appreciate that. Yes, yes.